We have got the most fantastic collection of houseplants for you, because here you're actually going to get 6 entirely different varieties, and these are all very unfussy, low maintenance, easy to look after houseplants. Great for yourself, put one in every room, or fantastic as a gift as well. I'll run you through the different varieties. We've got the Cody Ian Petra. This one has the most wonderful coloured leaves on here and can flower as well. The asparagus fern down the front there, that one is perfect for a more humid room in the home, perhaps in a bathroom. The Dracaena fragrance compacta grows a bit taller but has wonderful glossy leaves. We have also got the rubber plant, the Ficus elastica here, that has those wonderful broad dark green leaves. This one is called Camaduria elegans, also known as the parlour palm. Stays a bit more compact but very upright in its nature. And finally, we also have the dragon tree. This one is so low maintenance, very, very easy to look after, and can cope with a little bit of neglect. All of these are going to like a sort of brightly lit room in the home. They don't want to be in direct sunlight, but a nice bright room and a regular watering schedule. They're all beautifully established in the 12cm pots, so this is going to make a fantastic addition to your home or a gift for a loved one.